Dep on the block, me dep on the cook. See me I say. Alright, we dep on the block. You know me always say me dep on the block, me dep on the chat. Well today me dep on the block, me dep on the cook. Alright, Ayze. Let me show them my face. Big up to all of my fans and my subscribers them all over the world. You see me I say Caribbean, Europe, America, Canada. You see me I say everybody large. My fans been asking for another cooking video. Well today I'm gonna do jerk chicken, okay? So me dep on the block, me dep on the cook. So me I say, yeah man, subscribers are come, like and share. And thank you for all of my subscribers. You do a tremendous job. Continue to be my fans, you know, and continue to subscribe. You know, Ayze gonna always have something popping up, you know what I mean? Yeah man, big up all of my fans them again. Yeah, so we're gonna start this thing now. Flip the camera. Alright, so I'm gonna do some jerk chicken, but today my little jerk pan here, I didn't use it in a long while. So, and the last time when I clean it and store it, I didn't remember to oil it, you know, cause you know you have to oil it to keep it, you know what I mean, to keep it cool, you know. So Budweiser beer, you don't know anything set. Budweiser beer where I work with today. So I didn't remember to grease it. So what I'm gonna season it like it's a new grill, okay? So I already light the coal. The grill is hot. I don't know much temperature. And right now it's at 200 right now. And if you can see the temperature gauge, it's going up. So you know we have a lot of heat in there, okay? See, it's going up. It's going up. It's going up to 250 right now. It's at 250 right now degrees, and it's keep going up. So we have a lot of heat. You get what I'm saying? So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use some cooking oil with my little brush here, and you put the cooking oil on the grill. You know, that's how you season the grill. You know what I mean? So when you season the grill, your chicken will not stick, okay? Or if it's anything you're grilling, you know, it's not sticking. So we have to season the grill, and it's also a protection for the grill as well, you know what I'm saying? It's the seasoning, you know, when you season it, it build a coat, like you're coating it, you know what I mean? So the cooking oil and then the heat, and it's have it locked down, you know what I'm saying? So I should be doing this more than one time, and then it will be good by now, you know what I'm saying? But I didn't do it. So I did it. It's a new grill and it's a new jerk pan, and I did it one time already. So I should do it more than one, you know what I'm saying? So we just got season the grill. I have some chicken marinating already. I'm sorry I didn't show you guys how I make the marinade, but I can do another video for that, you know what I'm saying? So today I'm just gonna show you some jerking, and I can do a marinade after and show you how I marinate the chicken. You get what I'm saying? So just bear with me on that one. So you know what I'm saying, because it's my little godson birthday today, and I wasn't planning on doing any video, but my fans keep asking for another cooking video, and then I remember, I said, oh, you know, I can just flip the camera right now, get it running, you know what I'm saying? So this is how you season the grill. Put the oil and you let it burn, you know what I'm saying? So when the chicken marinate, the chicken take 3 to 5 hours to marinate, okay? And you can do it also overnight. You get what I'm saying? So I'm pretty much done. If you can see, you know what I'm saying, the grill look alright. You know, it's like ready for chicken. So I'm gonna just close it down and make it stay there. So I already seasoned the grill. So in the next 2 hours, I'm gonna throw some chicken on the grill. Okay. So if you look, it's a small amount of coal I have at the moment. So this is not barbecue, this is jerking. Okay, I'm gonna jerk. It's not barbecue. Jerk, if it was barbecue, I would have another pit with the liquor can right here to put the coal. And then barbecue, as you know, barbecue go by smoke, like you smoke it. So you would have another pan here where you put the coal, the fire, and the heat come like this, and get the chicken or the beef ready, or the pork, whatsoever you're doing. You know what I'm saying? So this pan is like a jerk pan. Okay, American call it barbecue, but this is jerk. So jerk, you put it on direct heat. So as you see, you have some coal in there, a lot of. We're gonna put some more over here, and we're gonna fill the bottom off. So when you're cooking on direct heat, when you know it's a little bit different. It's more technical. So when I get back, I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna burn some chicken. So I'll see you in the next half of the video. Okay, YouTube, I'm back. So I'm start to installing the chicken and the grill. Okay. You're probably wondering why I'm using that word install. I'm a carpenter, you know, so I use them words there, and also a mechanic. So no problem about that. Well, we're gonna put the chicken. We start put the chicken on the grill. So if you notice, it's on direct fire. Okay. So so I have my chicken here in the cooler, and that's the marinade. So what I'm gonna do, I'm start taking the one from the bottom. Okay. We're taking the one from the bottom. That's how we do it. So we just put in the chicken on the grill right now. I'm sorry, so my camera cut off, so I don't know where it cut off from, so I have to tell you. So when you put the chicken is on direct heat, so you have to keep turn them around, don't let them burn, because you know the chicken got grease, so you're gonna blaze the fire. So you have water, cool down the fire, you know, and it also keep the chicken soft, you know what I'm saying. And I like to put a little beer too. And then you close the grill up, right? And this thing right here, this thing right at the side, you have to monitor it. You can't keep it all the way open, you know what I'm saying? Because it's going to take too much. It's monetized, okay. So can check it in the next 5 minutes, okay? And then I'm back. I'm back. It's 5 minutes time, so we just gotta keep flip them, right? Keep flip them. Because we don't want them to get too burnt, you get what I'm saying? And sometimes when you're doing the chicken, sometimes the fire like get hotter on one side, so you can spin them around, like bring these on the cooler side and the hotter side. You can do that as well too. And remember, use water on your chicken. Keep them moist, you know what I'm saying? And keep the fire down. When you see the fire blazing up, that's how you do jerk. Yeah, so remember I told you I was doing a party for my godson, so it's a setting here. You know what I'm saying? Look at Jackson, you know what I'm saying? He have a customized party, so you can see his picture and all the items, the drinks, everything. You get what I'm saying? It's Jackson, you know what I mean? His picture everywhere. Customized. It's a customized. He just turned 1 year, you know what I'm saying? That's how it goes. So he customized everything. So I got the whole setting. Pretty birthday cake, I don't know what things said. So we do a lot of this, you know what I mean? Yeah, so it's all good. My wife and my sister and do decoration, you know, the party. Any party you want to decorate, you can get it. That's a nice, that's how the thing set. So I'll be back on the chicken again. Just give me another couple more minutes, I'll be back on the chicken, okay? So I'm back on the chicken, so we just flip them around and see they start getting cooked. So basically we just keep flipping them, okay? Don't let them get burned. That's the trick. Don't let them get burned. That's the trick. So we'll keep flipping them until they're ready, okay? So these chicken have a lot of moisture in it, you know, because I already put water and stuff. So basically right now I'm sorry YouTube, I don't have enough memory to do everything, so probably I'll come back like when I'm finished and I show you the finished product. You get what I'm saying? So if you see this color here, you want to keep them like this. You don't want to get them too black. You get what I'm saying? So you keep flipping them, okay? And if you see it's getting dry, you put water, or if you want to put beer, you know, keep it moist. So I don't think I have enough memory, so I'm sorry about that. So you'll probably come back with a finished product. You get what I'm saying? Yeah. So this is jerk chicken, okay? It's gonna real nice. The last party I jerk for, everybody go for the chicken alone. They didn't want anything else. You get what I'm saying? So today that's what I'm doing a lot today. You know what I'm saying? Because American love jerk chicken, Jamaican jerk chicken. So we got it. You know what I mean? You'll see you later on when we're finishing up, okay? So I'm back. So remember I told you I'll come back with the final. So here we go, we finalize. So this is what the chicken is gonna look like when it's finished, okay? It's finished right here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna chop them and put them in a pan. Yeah, don't know, party style. You know, so my first segment finished. We have another load to put in. You get what I'm saying? So all of these here are finished. So we're gonna chop them, put it in the pan. So that's it. You know what I mean? That's it for the jerk chicken. So like, comment, share, and subscribe. Okay? That's it. So I'll do another video with the marinade. Okay? So I'm out. Love y'all.